G'day lovelies, welcome back. Alrighty, today we are going to be doing a review on a Kmart Anko 25 litre air fryer and oven. I bought it from Kmart online for $139 with free delivery to my door. Now I've only got two things to say about it. First thing, it's smarter than I am. Second thing, go out and get one today, you will not regret it. I only know to do a couple of things in it so far, and that's what the kids taught me to do, so we'll be doing them today. So the main thing I love about it, besides the fact it does cook really well, is it is just nice and big. So it comes with an oven tray, which is all I use so far, because I don't know how to use much else yet. It comes with the oven rack. It comes with the big basket. Now, if I take them out for a minute, take this one out. The bottom of it also comes out so you can clean it. So compared to the other one I've seen, this one is absolutely awesome for cleaning. So it also comes with the big round basket thingy. It comes with the rotisserie and the handle to get it out with. First up, we're going to be making a fish wrap. So I've got some bird's eye frozen crumbed whiting, wraps, tartare sauce, lettuce, and some sliced cream cheese. So I'm just making one for me. So I'm going to put my two pieces on the tray. Okay, air fryer, time at 200 degrees it's already at, and start. Done. Alright, first one I'm going to get a wrap out. Now I used to cut the top of these, and then my granddaughter said to me, Nana, you open up the side here where it's orange and you pull out your wrap. Make sure that thing's not in it. And then you close it back up. You stretch it out, make it flat, and put the stick back down. And look, Nana, it doesn't even look like you opened it. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Lettuce. Couple of coon cheese slices. I know heaps of people go on about frozen food and takeaway and canned food, but look, this is my opinion. Frozen food, takeaway food and canned food all have a time and a purpose in our life. When the kids were little and I'd have a 3-day migraine, I would have been grateful to have something frozen like this in the freezer, and I could make them a meal like this really quick. It's the final countdown. 11 minutes later, and just like that, beautifully cooked. Nice and puffy and crunchy, and mwah. Stick our beautiful fish on. Oh, mate, it just cooks it to perfection. Tartare sauce. Oh, yeah, baby. Wrap it up. And check that out, my friends. 11 minutes and we've got ourselves an awesome little meal or lunch or just yum. So if you've got toothpicks, you can just stick one in there to hold it down to serve them up, but I do not, so I'll just hold it with my finger like E.T. Well, that's a wrap. Now we're going to cook some Steggles Tempura Chicken Dino Snacks. Now let me tell you, I don't know if it's real chicken or not, but they are absolutely moorish. I usually do a tray of them and just bang them in a bowl, grab a bottle of mayo, and off I go like a happy little dino eater. I grabbed a piece of corn on the cob out the freezer. I covered it in butter and wrapped it in alfoil, and I'm going to chuck that in with them and see how that goes. It'll be thawed out by now. Alright, we've got the dino snacks and the corn in. So I'm just going to cook them like I would normally and see what happens with the corn. Air fryer. Time 9 minutes. And it's already set at 200 degrees. start. Boom. 9 minutes later, and mate, it smells freaking awesome in here. Oh, I wish you could smell that. They come out absolutely perfect every time. Now, I just want to break this open and see if it worked. Oh, look at that. It's soft, it's juicy. Oh my God, mate. Now, if you haven't tried these dino snacks before, I got them from Coles. You have got to give them a crack. They also do tempura nuggets, and they are just as nice. Well, there you have it, lovelies, the ultimate dinosaur meal. So much fun. Give it a crack. The kids are going to love it. So it's winter here in South Australia at the moment, and I'm really enjoying using my oven. But when summer comes around this year, I'm absolutely going to give this thing a workout. I want to bake as many things as I can. So when I get on the road, I'll be chucking it in the RV, and hopefully by then, we're really creative with the thing. Definitely go and grab yourself one. Absolutely worth it. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night, and I'll see you all on Thursday. Toodles.